Hello. Some stormy scenes over the next day or so across the UK. Storm Doris is approaching. Will bring strong, gusty winds, severe gales, the potential for some problems. Heavy rain also likely to be an issue. And then, as things turn colder, some places we'll get some snow too. Now, Storm Doris is merely just a wiggle on a weather front at the moment, way out in the Atlantic. Doesn't look much at the moment, but it is going to be intensifying. Ahead of that, we've got another area of low pressure clearing well to the north of the UK, but these weather fronts are going to bring some wet weather overnight tonight, and it is going to be a windy night. First band of rain sinking south across Scotland into Northern Ireland, into Northern England and North Wales by dawn. To the south, it's a cloudy, murky old night, a bit of drizzle here and there, and it is really mild here again, double digits. Further north, the sky's clear. It'll turn a little colder. There'll be showers coming in of snow over the hills across Scotland, and they'll get blown in on a very strong wind. The wind's strengthening through the night and into Wednesday across the far north of Scotland. Gusts of 70, maybe 80 miles an hour could cause some problems over the Northern Isles. It's a blustery day wherever you are on Wednesday, but some sunshine across much of Northern England, eastern Scotland, Northern Ireland. Further south, it's another rather drab affair with rain in places, particularly soggy across southwest Wales come the afternoon. But again, it's mild here, whereas it will be cooler further north, but there will be that sunshine. But there will also be those very strong winds that will slowly ease through the afternoon and evening across northern Scotland. However, that's not the end of the strong winds, because we'll start to see things really developing during Wednesday night. This line of rain moving back across Northern Ireland is tied in to Storm Doris. By the time we get to first thing on Thursday morning, a deep area of low pressure. This is Storm Doris, and it's set to move steadily across the UK. It could be a little further north, it could be a little further south, but there'll be snow on its northern edge, and look at the number of isobars. Very, very blustery indeed. Let's deal with the wet weather first of all. The rain could cause some problems in Northern Ireland, and then we're looking at snow across parts of Scotland, maybe Northern England. Mostly over high ground, it has to be said, but we could see quite a lot over the hills, 5, 10, some of the higher ground could see as much as 20 centimetres. That could cause some problems when combined with those strong and gusty winds. Let's deal with the winds now, because it's going to be a blustery day pretty much wherever you are on Thursday. Strong winds across England, Wales, Northern Ireland in particular. Some of the strongest winds in this zone coming in from the Irish Sea over Northern England and North Wales, extending into parts of the North Midlands too. And it's in this zone where during Thursday we have the amber weather warning in force. That's where we could see those gusts of wind of 60, 70, possibly 80 miles an hour. Those sort of winds could cause some disruption. There are a number of warnings in force for the rain, the snow and those gusty winds. They may well move around a little bit. We will continue to monitor the situation. Keep up to date with the forecast and the warnings on the Met Office website.